Hi guys, I just wanted to talk real quick about how plants can become contaminated and why choosing your essential oils from a good brand is so important. Well, in the sense of pesticides and herbicides and all those chemical components or GMOs, it can be, that the plant is obviously planted in a place that the soil is contaminated. So obviously what happens is that that's going to rise up to via the stems and it's going to contaminate the essential oils that are later extracted. So that's one way to get toxins on it. Another way is by using different forms of extraction like solvent extraction, which is used for gums and resins. So to carry out this process, they usually need to add a solvent to the plants and then they evaporate it later, you know? Kind of like a stimulant, I would suppose. Kind of like something to diffuse the odor or like not to dissolve it, but yeah, like a stimulant. So then later they evaporate it, but that risks always having some lingering remains of the chemical component, or sometimes they're powdered in order to, again, I guess, condense the liquid and be able to extract it more effectively. So this is why doTERRA uses steam distillation, which is the main method. And then for the citrus oils, there's a cold pressing because you would dry out the plant because you get it from the peels and all of that, then it really needs to be extracting it without letting the plant die. In fact, steam distillation is a very thorough process in itself because, if you use too much water, then it's like way too diluted, and then if you steam it for too long, then you're going to dry out the plant. So it's a very delicate process, and I just wanted to inform you about those little things to have in mind. This is why doTERRA has so many tests, 6 rounds of testing to be able to certify that these oils are free of pesticides, contaminants, filters, fillers, everything. So that's it. I'll see you next time.